We are just over a week away from NVIDIA's quarterly results, but we've got another technology company to tell you about this morning. The cybersecurity player Palo Alto Networks out with its numbers. The market response has been positive. Wanted to bring in Ivana Delevska, founder and CEO of Spear Invest, covers a lot of the technology companies. Great to have you back with us. This is arguably the biggest name in cybersecurity, and it seemed like a big reaction to the numbers. What was your take?
So thanks for having me, John. Going into this earnings report, there were two factors that were playing into how the stock will react. One was the company announced a very large deal to acquire CyberArk, which is a player in identity security. And the other one was Fortinet came with very weak results. So basically, the setup going into this earnings report was pretty positive from that perspective. On top of that, the company delivered on every single metric, whether you're looking at revenues, whether you're looking at their next-gen business, which is really the focus point for investors, or you're looking at free cash flow, they basically surprised positively on all metrics. So we like the setup here a lot, especially post the pullback as a result of the CyberArk deal. So we think that's going to be a big driver going forward. So we're pretty pleased with the results.
And what would you say about, just as an example, the valuation for a company like this? We just had a conversation with an investor who raised some concerns, not about Palo Alto, but just about big valuations for big tech right now.
Well, I mean, the valuations are really a reflection of the growth that we expect to see. And we are at this early innings of AI adoption. So the growth numbers that we're seeing is unlike anything we've seen before. Specifically for the cyberspace, a big driver here is going to be securing AI agents. So that's kind of what this CyberArk is a play on. So it's really all about what growth you're expected to see. If you can grow 20+%, all of a sudden a multiple of over 10 times EV to revenues doesn't look as bad as if growth was lower.
And in the case of Palo Alto, stock is coming into this session down on the year, I would imagine in part because the market is still digesting that big acquisition of CyberArk. But if you were like a first-time investor looking at cybersecurity names, where would Palo Alto fit on your list?
Well, right now, as of right now, Palo Alto is among our top 5 investments. So we really like it here, and we really just sized it recently over the past several days based on the fact that the company got oversold. So we think this is a great entry point for people that are looking for decent risk rewards. Among the cyber plays, this is not the highest risk investment, so it does have some sort of a downside protection given their solid free cash flow. They're expected to generate over 40% free cash flow post the acquisition. So from that perspective, it does have some downside protection as well. But we like some of the other cyber plays as well that are maybe higher risk and higher reward, like a Cloudflare, for example.
All right. Really helpful context, Ivana. Thanks very much, as always. Nice to have you back with us. Ivana Delevska joining us from Spear Invest.